From R.D. Sharma, Class 7th, Mathematics, Chapter number 5, Operation on Rational Number. In that, topic is multiplication of rational number. Now, if you have, with example, we can understand this. If you have 1 by 2 multiply by 2 by 3, okay, this we have to multiply. So here if the multiplication is there, you can cancel it. So 2 to cancel, which is equal to 1 by 3. Let us see with an exercise 3.5.3. question number 1, multiply 7 upon 11 by 5 upon 4. Let us solve this. Now first one is that 7 upon 11 by 5 upon 3. So we have to write in multiplication 7 upon 11 into 5 upon 4. Now here we can't cancel any number, so directly answer we have to write that 7 5s are 35 upon 11 into 4 is 44. So first answer is 35 upon 44. Now see the third one. The question is minus 2 upon 9 by 5 upon 11. Okay, now here also we have to write in multiplication minus 2 upon 9 into 5 upon 11. This one also we can't cancel it, so directly we have to write answer. Minus 2 into 5 is minus 10 upon 9 into 11 is 99. So answer is minus 10 upon 99. Question number 2, multiply minus 5 upon 17 by 51 upon minus 60. Let us solve this. Now minus 5 upon 17 by 51 upon 60. Now this we have to multiply minus 5 upon 17 into 51 upon minus 60. Now with 5 we can cancel it. 5 ones are 5 ones are 5 and 5 1 remain, so 2s are 10, 5 12s are 16. Okay, again we can with 3 we can cancel this, so 3 1s are 3, 21 is there, 3 7s are and 3 4s are 17, 1s are 17 cancel, so what will remain? 1 upon 4. This minus also cancel, so it is positive. Answer is 1 upon 4. Now question third, minus 8 upon 25 by minus 5 upon 16. So write in multiplication minus 8 upon 25 multiply by minus 5 upon 16. Now with 5 we can cancel. 5 1s are 5 5s are 8 1s are 8 2s are. Now minus is plus, so answer is 1 upon 5 2s are 10. So 1 upon 10 is the answer. Question 3, simplify each of the following and express the result as the rational number in standard form. Now here we have to cancel first and write in the standard form. So let us solve this. So 1, okay, question is minus 16 upon 21 into 14 upon 5. So we can cancel this. Okay, 7 3s are 14 and 7 2s are 14 and 7 3s are 20. Now another we can cancel this. No, so write down the answer that 6 minus 16 into 2 is minus 32 and 3 into 5 is 50. So answer is minus 32 upon 50. And third one question is minus 19 upon 36 multiply by 16. Okay, here in the denominator nothing means 1. Now we can cancel this with now 4 4s are 16, 4 9s are 36. So minus 19, another we can cancel, it is 19, 4 and 9 is there. No, so let us write the answer. Minus 19 into 4 is minus 76 upon 9 is the answer. Question 4, first one we have to simplify this. Okay, now here we have to use BODMAS rule. First we will solve the bracket. Okay, so first we will solve the bracket. Here nothing means 1, 5 ones are 5, 3s are. Okay, so minus here minus 1 into 2 is minus 2 upon 3. 1 into 3 is 3. Minus, here also we have to solve. Nothing means 1, 3, 2s are 6, 3, 3s are. So minus 2 into 2, which is minus 4 upon 3. Then open the bracket, minus 2 upon 3, minus minus plus 4 upon 3. Denominator is same, so minus 2 plus 4 upon 3, which is equal to minus 2 plus 4 is 2 upon 3 is the answer. Now let us see the second one. Here minus 9 upon 4 multiplied by 5 upon 3 plus 13 upon 2 into 5 upon 6. So let us solve this. First we solve bracket. So 3 ones are 3, 3s are. Another thing we can cancel? No. Here we can't cancel anything. Okay. So let us write it down. 3 into 5 is minus 15 upon 4 plus 13 into 5 is 5 3s are 15, 5 1s are 5, 6, 65 upon 6 2s are 12. Therefore, here LCM of 12, 4 and 12. So 2 2s are 2, 6 are 12, 2 1s are 3s are and 3 1s are. LCM equal to 12. Okay, so 12 into 1 and 4 into 3. So equal to minus 15 into 3 is 5 3s are 15, 5 3 1s are 3, 4, 45 upon 12 plus 65 upon 12, which is equal to minus 45 plus 65 upon 12. So minus 45 plus 65 is 5 minus 5 0, 6 minus 4 is 2 upon 12. Now this we can cancel it, right? With whom? 12, 2 6s are, 2 10s are, 2 3s are and 2 5s are. So 5 upon 3 is the answer. Okay. Now let us see the question number 5. First one 13 upon 9 into minus 15 upon 2 plus 7 upon 3 into 8 upon 5 plus 3 upon 5 into 1 upon 2. This we have to simplify. So first we have to cancel it. Okay, so we'll solve the bracket. 9 3 3s are 3 5s are. Okay, another thing we can cancel this? No. So multiply it. 3 5s are 15, 3 5 1s are 5, 6. 65 minus 65 upon 3 2s are 6 plus, here we can cancel, no. So 7 into 8 is 56 upon 5 into 3 is 50 plus, here also we can cancel. So 3 into 1 is 3 and 5 into 2 is 10. Now take out the LCM of 6, 15 and 10. 6, 15, 10. 2 3s are 15 as it is and 5s are. 3 1s are 5s are 5s are. 5 1s are 1 1. Therefore LCM equal to 2 3s are 6, 6 5s are 30. So 6 into 5 is 30, 15 into 2 is 30 and 10 into 3, which is equal to 65 into 5. 5 5s are 25, 6 5s are 30, 31 and 32 minus 32 upon 30 plus 56 into 2. 6 2s are 12, 5 2s are 10 and 11 upon 30 plus 3 3s are 9 upon 30. So minus 325 plus 112 plus 9 upon 30. So let us minus this. Minus 325 plus 112. We have to minus it. So answer is 5 minus 2 is 3. 2 minus 1 is 1. 3 minus 1 is 2. Minus plus 9 upon 30, which is equal to minus 213 plus 9. We have to minus it because minus plus minus. So answer is minus 204 upon 30. Now here we have to cancel this. Okay. So how? 6 5s are 30. 6 1s are 6 3s are 18. 2 remain and 4s are 24. So minus 34. So answer is minus 34 upon 5. Now second question. 3 upon 11 into 5 upon 6 minus 9 upon 12 into 4 upon 3 plus 5 upon 13 into 6 upon 15. First of all, we'll cancel in the bracket. 3 1s are 3 2s are. So first bracket we will write. Another thing we can cancel? No. So 5 upon 22 minus here 3 1s are 3 3s are. 4 1s are 4 3s are. 3 3 also cancel. So 1 1. Okay. Plus 5 1s are 5 3s are 15. 3 1s are 3 2s are 6. So 2 upon 30. Now here we have to take the LCM of 22 and 13. And here nothing means 1. So LCM of 22 and 30. 2 11s are 13. 11 1s are 13 and 13 1s are 13. 22 into 13, which is equal to 286. So LCM is 286. 22 into 13 is 286. Here 286 multiply and 13 into 22. So equal to 13 into 5 is 3 5s are 15 and 5 1s are 5. 65 upon 286 minus 286 upon 286 plus 22 into 2. 2 2s are 4. 44 upon 286. Now 65 minus 286 plus 44 upon 286. First of all, minus 65 into 65 minus 286 is minus 6 minus 5 is 1. 8 minus 6 is 2 and 2 plus 44 upon 286, which is equal to, now another we have to minus this. So minus 11 minus 4 is 7. 11 minus 4 is 7 and 1 upon 286 is the answer. Minus 177 upon 286 is the answer. Thank you for watching this video.